factory helping to make arms for Japan's war effort. At 8 o'clock in the morning, he was playing chess.
どういう風にこうリアクトしたか。バンってね、フラッシュですよ。明るい。うわなんだろうってね。もう見たこともない。だからね、とかこうしてやってだってだ。つんだからもう。そしたらね、瓦が次から落ちてくるのね。
When the light flashed, you know, it was the first experience for him, and he'd never heard about it. So he was so surprised to see such a bright flash. And he stood up, and well, tried to figure out what happened. And then, wow, the roof has fallen down on him, and he, well, covered his head, but he was injured a bit. And his white shirt was become red for that. So he went to the hospital. And there he first knew that all the city was attacked. Wow, the people were so badly injured. And just as you see on the movie or on the book, on TV. Wow, it was somehow beyond the description.
Mr. Marimoto suffers from radiation sickness. At first the effects were frightening. He vomited continuously, lost his appetite, and his hair fell out. In fact, he thought he was going to die. As time went on, he began to feel better. He left Hiroshima, moved to Tokyo, married, and had a family. But he never completely recovered. During his illness, the doctors kept telling him there was nothing wrong with him, that he was just tired from overwork. So I asked Maru to ask his father why the doctors weren't of more help.
イギリスのイブン。
今その文献持ってなって人らに持ってくるけれど。
あ、本当に。で、どっから追放になったの？
日本から追放になった、アメリカ軍によって。
あ、イギリス人が日本に来てたわけ？
そう。アメリカ軍の海軍の派遣員としてね。
I see. Wow. The doctor didn't know what happened in Hiroshima. It was prohibited to let the patients know, or to let the doctors know, actually. There were very few doctors who knew that atomic bomb was such a furious weapon. But after that, after many years, he read the book and knew that hibakusha, which is atomic bomb sufferers, are like cracked rice ball. So when it is used very carefully and in such a daily use, it's okay. But when they fall on the floor, it's very easy to break. Like that.
In Japan, the hibakusha, or atom bomb sufferers, are regarded with suspicion. People are frightened that the radiation may have caused them genetic defects, which will pass on deformities to their children. Did Mr. Marimoto hesitate about having a family, knowing about these possible dangers?
Well, as for the atomic bomb sufferers, there are various cases. And one of his friends got married, but don't dare to make a child because he's afraid of his child has a disease. Not all the child of bomb sufferer will get sick. Most of them are almost healthy. So, well, it's a matter of risk. Take a risk. And it's just like the ordinary person take a risk when they'll make a child. So, maybe he didn't so much frightened to have a child. And he's now glad to have such a wonderful child. That is what he said, not what I said.